god.
Before it was more funnier. Come here. You're getting away and all that. Good girl. I love you. Okay.
She does that all the time.
That was hilarious. She really literally had her head inside the bed.
No, she does that all the time, Mommy.
Really?
Yeah.
No, she just hid her whole head under it.
She
Oh my
doesn't like it.
Good
She
girl.
doesn't like it.
Good girl, good girl, good girl, okay? Give you a treat then. No more treat? Give you a treat, good girl. Okay? What happened? Brushing teeth. Did you see that? Oh my god, you done caught that, man. It was like literally she hit her head under it. And she runs so fast. She's like, no, you're putting that thing on my mouth.
Where's she going?
Wait. No snake up for you. Look how she runs, so cute. Ah! Forget you. I got a bigger one myself. I'm playing with you for a small one. I'm tired.